Alright, this table was in pretty rough shape when it came into my shop. You can see all the stains and dirt and grime on it. But I could see it had potential, for sure. First things first, break it down into as many pieces as I can, so I can run them through the planer and save time sanding, especially with all the corners on this one. So once we have that done, send all the larger pieces through the planer. All the smaller stuff will get sanded with 120 grit. Just look at that. Beautiful red oak. After that, put it back together and slap a paint wash on it. And wham bam, thank you ma'am, you got yourself a new table. Ooh.